Unfortunately, REWAISE was not alone. In that same call, we had 4 other big projects of similar size, and we felt it was much more productive to team up and create synergies between each other rather than reinvent the wheel 5 times. And I think when identifying areas where we could collaborate and jointly produce a much bigger impact, that was the thinking behind this cluster, which now transformed into a project. It's a logical continuation that will impact because you need a certain time for society, for users to take up new solutions, and this will give us additional time to generate sustainable services within our water operations.
We have periods of droughts and which make the water utilities and the industry think about how of the future, because I think they're becoming more and more aware that the future will not be better than the current situation. A role as CIRSEAU for those industries for which water is essential, but not a product. And I think we have to help them understand where the innovations are and how they can make use of them in their business.
We have the opportunities, we have the solutions on the table, and it's the time to help them get to the market. And I think this is a crucial point to make them visible, but also to support the technology providers and to make the environment, to build the environment so that there could be an uptake from a regulatory point of view.
So with this cluster, we're going to create working groups, and one of my specific tasks within the project is to create novel educational programs so that we can really teach the students to develop the skills that they will need to address the future challenges of all these complex water-related problems.
Now there are different methods, different recommendations stemming from the different projects, and it's sometimes they are on the same topic. It's just that they're not aligned well, so that maybe we are using different terminologies or expressions to essentially talk about the same thing. I think that if CIRSEAU can contribute to aligning and producing common recommendations, common policy inputs, common methodologies, that will be a significant contribution.
And we have the ambition by the end of the project to establish a stakeholder, what we call the stakeholder ecosystem, so that can remain active even beyond CIRSEAU project.